What's up, fellow Universal Audio users? There's a cool update that I wanted to put out there in case people don't know, specifically for Mac users who are using Universal Audio interfaces. There's a bunch of tutorials out there about how to use your Universal Audio interface with OBS, and until I'm not sure when, I don't know when this changed with which update, but there was a workaround that was necessary in order for you to be able to get stuff from your Universal Audio interface into OBS. Namely, you basically had to change your left and right outputs and have them go to your 1 and 2s. That is gone now, as far as this version at least, version 30.1.0. So I'm going to take you through it really quick. Basically, if you go to your sources and you go to audio input capture and name it whatever you want to name it, normally, you would go over to Universal Audio and you would leave it like this, but there is now a enabling downmixing section over here that you can uncheck. And I couldn't believe when I found this out, but see how by default it has you set up for mic line input 1 and 2. You can actually go down, click on it and go down and pick monitor left and pick monitor right. And now you no longer have to do this workaround where you're having your left and right go to your 1 and 2. It just opens up everything and makes it so much easier. Basically, any input that you have coming through your Universal Audio interface will get to OBS, and it's really as simple as that. Hope you guys find this useful. I'm on my way to YouTube Partner and trying to get to 1K subs. So if this was at all helpful, please do me a favor and hit that sub. I am a freestyle rapper from New York. I stream on Twitch and on YouTube using words from the chat, and I would really appreciate your support. Have an awesome day.